How to start trading on Pionex. Hello and welcome to the Web3 Guides YouTube channel. Today we are going to tell you everything you need to know to start trading on Pionex. Pionex is a relatively fresh platform designed primarily for automated trading with bots. In this video we'll go through all the starting steps, from creating an account and depositing money for trading to your first actual trade. And we'll also tell you how to grab a good welcome bonus from the exchange. So if you're new to crypto and Pionex seems interesting to you, come along, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and let's get started. First of all, we obviously need to create an account. To sign up, use the link in the pinned comment under this video. This way you'll not only get USDT welcome bonuses from the exchange, but also save money on trading fees with a 15% rebate. On the sign up page, choose the authorization method, like email or mobile number. And then create a strong and reliable password and proceed to the next step. After that, you will receive a confirmation code via email or a text message. Copy the code, paste it here and confirm. After that, your account is created. And you'll also be able to grab your first welcome reward. So let's talk about the rewards for a moment, before moving on to the next step. To see the available rewards, you'll need to visit the Rewards Hub. You can do it from the exchange's main page, right here. The first reward unlocks when you sign up. The next two will be available after you verify your identity and deposit your first money to the exchange. We'll do all that together in the next part. So after that, don't forget to visit here and grab your rewards. There are also other bonuses available. For example, some of them unlock when you reach a certain trading volume or if you invite friends to the exchange. In the Rewards Hub you can also browse promo campaigns and other activities that are currently available on the exchange. But for now, let's continue setting up your account. The next step is identity verification. It is necessary to unlock access to trading and other features of the exchange. The process is very simple, but for it to be as comfortable and easy as possible, we recommend that you download Pionex's mobile app. After you sign in the app, you'll see the verification button on the main screen. The ID check on Pionex consists of two steps. Let's start with the first one. Here you will need to choose your region and then enter your name. Check all the boxes down below and submit your info. You will then return to the previous page. To start the level 2 verification, tap the update button on top. Then start the verification process and wait until the interface is loaded. First of all, here you'll be asked whether you are a US resident or not. Choose the appropriate option and then tap the continuation button here and on the next page. Then you will need to choose the type of ID you wish to provide. When you go to the next step, your camera will open and you'll need to make a clean and readable photo of the main page of your ID. On the next page, you can check if the photo is okay. Make sure all the info is readable and submit your photo. Then your front camera will open. You'll need to look straight at the camera and let the system scan your face. After that, your data will be sent. Usually it takes just a few moments for the exchange to confirm your verification. Now, one more small but important detail. For your account to be properly set up, open your profile menu and go to the security section. Here you will need to set up the two-factor authentication. For example, bind the Google Authenticator app. It will not only provide extra security for your account, but also without it some features like crypto withdrawals might not be available. And now the final thing before you are ready to trade is to deposit money to the exchange. There are a couple of ways to do it. First of all, we can make a direct fiat deposit. In other words, just buy crypto with a regular currency. There are three main options for a fiat deposit. With the Express option, you can quickly buy crypto with your card. You just need to bind your card here, choose the currency you wish to spend and the crypto you want to buy, like USDT for example. The only downside here is not a lot of currencies are supported, but at least the main ones like euros or USD are available. The second option is a bank transfer. This option though supports even less currencies than the previous method. And lastly, you can use a third-party service. This is the most versatile option, because depending on the service you choose, it can support dozens of fiat currencies. Although we suggest that before choosing a service, you read the reviews first. In the case that neither of these options supports your currency or payment method, you are left with the only other option: make a crypto deposit. Of course, to do that, you'll first need to buy crypto elsewhere. For example, use a P2P platform on another crypto exchange, like Bybit. When you already have crypto, go to your Assets menu on Pionex and choose the deposit option here. Then choose the currency you wish to deposit and the blockchain network in which you want to send it. After that, you will see the address to which you can send your tokens. The rest depends on where you are going to send your crypto from. If you use another exchange, for example, find the crypto withdrawal page there, then choose the same currency and network, paste your address, enter the amount and send the tokens. And now we finally get to the most important part, making your first trade. The most basic way to exchange one token for another is to use the quick token swap. It's a quick and easy way without any intricate settings, but note that it doesn't support all the currencies that are available on the exchange. So if you plan to actively trade on the exchange, you'll need more tools and potentially access to all the trading pairs. For that, we need to go to the main trading sections. The two primary markets on most crypto exchanges are spot and futures. They are quite different from each other. On the spot market, you'll literally exchange tokens. They are stored on your account, you can hold them almost as long as you want, and also withdraw them from the exchange. On futures, people trade contracts, so you don't actually hold anything, except your collateral. You just speculate on price movements. On futures, you can also trade in both directions, so you can profit both when the price goes up and when the price goes down. And you can use high leverage, which might sound tempting, but actually increases the risk quite a lot. So our general recommendation for all beginners is to start with spot market, because there are less nuances you need to worry about and there are also less potential risks. So let's see what the spot trading looks like. On the left, above the chart, you can browse the available trading pairs. You can filter them by subcategories and also add them to your watch list. And on the right side you can find the trading menu. Let's look at it more closely to see what you need to make your first trade. Your first order on spot will obviously be a buy order, since there is no option to trade in the other direction. So first of all, you'll need to choose the order type. The two main ones are a market and a limit order. The market order allows you to enter a trade immediately at the current price level. But there is one important nuance. If you decide to trade smaller coins with less liquidity, there might not be enough supply at the current level to fill the entire order. In this case, your order will move up the order book to the next best price. On bigger coins like Bitcoin, this is unlikely to happen. But if you want to trade some newly listed coins, for example, you should keep this in mind. To control this situation, you can use the slippage control option. It allows you to limit the potential price difference. For a limit order, you set a specific price level at which you want to enter, and it will not be executed unless this price level is reached. There is also one important detail. If it's a buy limit order, it should be set somewhere below the current price. If you try to place it higher than the actual price, it will be executed as a market order. The same logic applies to a sell order, but in reverse of course. Now, after choosing the type of your order, the only thing left is to set the order size. You can do it either by the amount you want to spend or by the amount you want to buy. If you use a market order, this parameter is switched right here. And after that you are ready to place your order and enter your first trade. But before wrapping this up, we need to talk about another very important pair of orders that you are gonna need after you enter your trade: a take profit and a stop loss order. The first one, quite obviously, is used to automatically take profit, but it's the second one that is much more important. It's used to limit the potential losses in case your trade goes the wrong way, and we strongly recommend that you use it at all times. For example, if you just bought something on spot, you go back to the trading menu and choose the TPSL order. Then you switch it to a sell order, of course. Next, you have to set the trigger price for your stop loss, somewhere below your entry point. Logically, the stop loss should be placed at a level where your original idea becomes invalid, for example, where the uptrend gets broken. After that, you choose the type of your stop loss order. It can also be a limit or a market order. We advise you to stick with the market order, because it's a safer option. And finally, you set the order size and place your order. Now let's briefly talk about another key aspect of the exchange, the trading bots. There are almost 20 different variations of bots for different strategies. Grid bots, for example, trade in a specific price range and try to profit from all the price fluctuations. And a DCA bot accumulates a single large position with a good average entry price. There is also a bot that helps you manage your investment portfolio. On Pionex, you can not only create your own bot, but copy a pre-made one, created either by AI or some other user. In the near future, we on the channel plan to do a series of detailed guides on the most interesting of Pionex's bots, so stay tuned for updates. But for now, if you're a beginner, it's probably not the best idea to start trading with bots right away, because bots of course are not a magical tool that does everything for you. To properly set up a bot, you need to understand how the market works. So for a while you should probably stick to trading the spot market until you get the basics, before moving on to something more advanced. And finally, let's talk about withdrawing money from the exchange. The options here are almost the same as with the deposit. First of all, you can sell crypto for fiat currency and withdraw it to your card. To do this, you need to go to the Buy Crypto section and choose the third-party services. Here you switch from buying to selling, then choose the crypto you want to sell and the fiat currency you want to receive. The rest depends on the available payment services. And once again, if there is no suitable payment method or currency for you, you'll need to withdraw crypto from the exchange and sell it elsewhere. For this, we essentially need to mirror the process we went through when depositing crypto. For example, if you want to withdraw to another exchange, you go to the crypto deposit page there, choose the crypto you want to deposit, then the blockchain network you want to use for your transaction, and copy the address. After that, on Pionex you go to the withdrawal page of your wallet. Then choose the same token and network, paste the address you copied, enter the amount and send the tokens. If you want to withdraw to your own crypto wallet, the process will be essentially the same. And that is all for today. We hope that this video turns out helpful for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And stay tuned for our future videos, in which we will cover more advanced aspects of trading, including futures trading and using trading bots. And for now, thanks for watching and good trades to everyone.